rebound. He goes all the way to the hole, and that'll be short. Tinapik palabas. Alforque with a finger roll and one. And you didn't talk about heart in this series. These rookies ng Tanduay are beginning to show what kind of players they are made of. The stuff that they're made of in this game number 4, Kinito.
Alam mo, paminsan partner, kung nakikita ng isang koponan na marami sa kanilang mga kakampi, baldado na and they're injured, somehow,
Sinasabi natin reserve player, kailangan dapat tumulong.
Alforque!
Alforque! Yun ang mga ating mga kababayan sa Cebu na marabi na wala silang pakialam kung sino ka nasa harap ko.
Bahala na mo diha. Basta kayo mo ita ko na rin. Batang Cebu, Rene Alforque, maraming beses na natin pinag-usapan niya. Basta si Alforque nakakita ng konting puwang, bibirayan. At nakita niyo naman sa ating slow-mo brought to you